Alright, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, today we got a 2002 Dodge Stratus. Customer's complaint, doesn't start. Customer bought a brand new battery, just put the battery in. We're going to test this car out, see what's going on, diagnose it, and hopefully we can get it running. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, and any of you own a Dodge, the Intrepid, the Stratus, you know you gotta take this tire off to replace the battery. You see the customer got a brand new battery in there, so we good to go with that. And I got the car jacked up. And what we're gonna do here, let's go in here and see how this sounds. Alright, key it on. Let's see this. You know, that sounded kind of like I ain't hear no compression, or nothing. That's exactly what it sounded like. What's the easiest way that I can check this to see if this belt is, yeah, can't even see nothing there. It's got that baffle in there. They don't have no sometimes they have a little plug up here you can pop out for adjust the timing, not to adjust the timing, just to check your timing marks. And that's not there, so you might have to see. I can't even see in the back, man. They really sealed this up. Wait a minute, we do have our cam sensor here. We can pop our cam sensor out. We got those two 8mm or 5/16 bolts. But then I might lose a little oil in there, you know. But let's go get us a 5/16 and a little bit of tools and check this out. All right, what I got here, I'm gonna try to go over here and remove that timing cover just a little bit. And what I'm gonna do is looks like I gotta get this out of my way. Yeah, that one's out of the way. And I got a 5/16 bolt right here, so let me go get my socket. 5/16 or 8mm. Alright. As long as I can back this cover up just enough so I can see it. Okay. I can actually. Now this is what I'm going to do here. Since I don't have you guys or girls with me here to tell me if it moves, the first thing I'm going to do here is, you know what, let's lower this down a little bit. Let me set this camera up and be right back. Alright, now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull the cover back. This line out of the way. I'm going to pull the cover back just like that. Yeah, there's another bolt up here. If I can just get this other screw out of here, I will be very happy. Well, figures. Well, I got it loose. Let's see if I can. There we go. Sometimes you get at weird angles to get to these things. Okay, got it. Yeah, looks like somebody had this off. I think there should have been another bolt up there somewhere. All right. Let's just set that to the side. Now we can see this better. And already, without even having to do anything, look at that belt. So ain't no use in us turning it. That belt, it either broke or I don't know what happened. But that's it. You know, and this belt looked glazed, but there's no markings like an old belt or something, which makes me wonder, was this belt changed? Well, no, they had this car for a while, so dang it, that sucks. There's the tension or the idler pulley right there. That's moving freely. Guess what Astro will be doing. Alright, might as well leave that off. Ain't no use in cranking it, ain't no use in marking nothing. Huh, we'll be right back. Alright, looks like that was a pretty quick video. And more than likely we're gonna be breaking this down. And I believe this is an interference engine, so we'll be pulling the heads off, and it gives me a chance to introduce one of our tools to replace the valves. Okay, guys, girls, check this out. If you got an interference engine and it bends the valves, a lot of these shops out here, a lot of these dealerships telling you, bam, you need a cylinder head. That's not the case at all. If your pistons are still intact, because the valve will contact the pistons, if they're intact, change the valves. You can get the valves for like 10 bucks a piece, and usually you end up changing like 6 of them, 60 bucks. And you're back in business. So you know, don't let them rip you off like that. And if they try, call us. All right. This is Timmy from Astro Auto Repairs. We'll see you on the updates on this video, because you know I'm gonna put the video up there if we do it. If we can't repair it, nobody can. Guys, girls, y'all take it easy. Next call.